I got a delivery while I was in Melbourne from Glitter Gals. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to sample some of their products because they're going to be launching soon. So I agreed. Look at this cute flamingo packaging. Let's see what they have in here. Cutely packaged. Coming soon. Hi Lina, we hope you enjoy some of our goodies. Glitter Gals Australia are launching soon and would love to see what you create. Thank you for being one of our inspirations. Much love, Glitter Gals. Aww, that's so cute. Love the logo. Just so simple and classy. Sneak peek. Here at Glitter Gals Australia, we're getting excited to launch Australia's newest online glitter and nail supply store. Here's a little sneak peek of what we have to offer. Glitter mixes, foils, leaf, angel papers, striping, tape, the boring stuff, lint-free wipes, swatch sticks, soak-off wraps, containers, and so much more. We look forward to stopping by. Sparkle on, darling. Cute! Love it. Oh, love their PR. Some striping tape. I love their packaging. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Some hollow glitter. Look at this cute mix. This is stunning. What a beautiful mix. It's like a white, silver, and purple mix. Some angel paper. Their packaging is so great. Oh, it's not quite rose gold. It's a bit more on the pink side. It's a rose blush, holographic. It's a mix. So there's some fine, really fine glitters and a bit of chunky. This light gold is beautiful. Oh, it is stunning. And solid red, chunky mix. Wow. So pretty. What's this? Some leaf, silver leaf. Yep, some silver leaf. That's quite a bit. There's quite a bit in this PR packaging. That's so cute. Oh, they've got little flowers in it. Beautiful pastel pink. It's like a cotton candy pink. Some lint-free wipes. I've actually been looking for this type of lint-free ones. So that's awesome. And some foils. Very nice. Thank you, Glitter Gals, for sending me this package. I cannot wait to create some new designs using these.